This is the video guide dedicated to help you get rid of the browser hijacker called Infinity Search. Infinity Search is a browser hijacker that may attack Google, Chrome, and other browsers. Actually, this Infinity Search is a special browser extension. This extension is spread through integration with many free applications, so in most of the cases users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. If this Infinity Search was mistakenly added to your browser, you would submit some search queries and you would notice that the results are delivered by some other fake search engines. If you are not happy with all these alterations into the way your browser operates, you should get rid of this extension. Access the menu, go to More Tools, then Extensions. Disable and delete any of such third-party extensions if you find them on the list. Carefully, one by one, get rid of them. In order to be convinced that your computer is free of other threats, we recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and begin researching your system. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.